main differences in approaches in landing in a Cessna 172 versus a Mooney M20. In the Cessna, you can make a steeper approach and use adjustments in power to stay on the glide path all the way to the ground. Try to be at 80 miles an hour on final, and then slow to around 65 miles an hour on short final to touchdown. In the Mooney, you can take more of a shallow approach. The adjustments in power affect speed more than altitude, unlike in the Cessna. Try to be at 90 miles an hour on final and slow to around 80 miles an hour on short final to touchdown.